we are leaving Mataranka. We had an amazing 2 weeks, really enjoyed it. And now we're off to Katherine for 3 nights. We are staying at the Contour. It's actually really nice. You've got resort plus caravan accommodation. Here are our ensuite sites. It's pretty much, yeah, shared bathroom for everyone that's just camped around here, and there's plenty of room.
Well, now all this land that you see around you today is all Jawan land. Jawan people are the local Aboriginal people that have occupied this land for thousands of years. Now me myself. What's on them? Hardly any leaves on them. Those trees there are yellow cape-pops. Now the yellow cape-pops, when they start flowering like that, then that's a good indicator for Jawan people. Let them know that freshwater crocodiles and turtles are carrying their eggs. And pretty soon, they're going to start growing these little green pods out. Start sprouting out some green pods. When they start sprouting out those green pods, that's a good indicator that a lot of the freshwater crocodiles and turtles have laid their eggs. You would have seen on these beaches here on our right, those signs there, crocodile nesting areas do not enter, just for the canoeists so they know not to go up there. Part of the Katherine River is. So just behind us, it was just over 1.5 meters deep. So eventually they all do dry out. Except for one. There is one waterfall in the national park that never dries, and that'll be Edith Falls. You can tell the difference between a freshwater crocodile. See those trees there? into the sandstone, and it just seeps right through the sandstone from the top coming down out of the bottom here. And the sandstone also is spelled differently to Kenyan.
Like this, one, now they're aboard, just telling a story. Another one, another in certain areas they do art sites just to let other people know that this area is a sacred area, please don't go in there.
You can see just coming up on our right hand side here, nice sandy little beach there. Now, in a few weeks time, these beaches are going to be a lot of nesting areas for freshwater crocodiles and freshwater turtles. So in about a few weeks time, there's going to be a lot of eggs sitting up on those beaches. They're very shy and timid beaches. They'll stay away from you. As long as you stay away from them, they'll stay away from you.